Hey guys, this is Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we have a custom gaming laptop. It's an MSI. The customer is currently doing some graphic design, and it currently comes with 1 terabyte. So right now we're gonna grab this NVMe solid state drive and pop it in. It's gonna be the primary. It's gonna have as well as the terabyte on the side. So for those who are looking at upgrading any type of computer, laptops, you can bring it into the shop. You can give us a call. We can troubleshoot with you, or even guide you, or we can do it for you as well. We also have on this side a custom gaming laptop. It's virtual reality ready. So for those who are into simulators, we also do that. Currently, he's on a Ferrari F44. For those who are into racing. So if you have any questions about this too, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.